Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dee Thompson. Thank you guys so much for joining me again this week. So as you can see, I am not going to be the star of today's video. Today we're going to be doing a protective style with Khloe because I think it's important for all mommies out there to protective style and know how to protective style for your natural children. So I'm going to do all the steps that I normally do on Khloe's hair when I do a protective style. Show you the products that I'm going to use. And she's gonna be dramatic as usual. So if you want to see how I'm gonna style her hair in a cute protective style for the summer, stay tuned and check out this video. I want to go in with a strong leave-in conditioner. This one is by The Main Choice. It's their 3-in-1 conditioner. Anytime I protective style her hair, I want it to be very moisturized up under any protective style over. It is thick and it just goes into the hair so beautifully, and I don't have to worry about her hair being moisturized after the fact. It's gonna stay moisturized. It's going to be good. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this all over.
Mommy, I'm trying to smell this thing, and I keep
moving it.
And you keep moving it. So let me smell this real quick and see how I grade it.
What do you think?
It smells like coconut.
It smells like coconut. Okay.
But I really like it. I really like it.
Okay. Now I'm gonna go in with the pomegranate and honey curling smoothie. The reason why I love this so much is because this is also moisturizing. So if you haven't got the memo right now, we're layering on the moisture into her hair.
I need to smell this thing good to me. I have smelled this before, but it just smells so good. I get dreams about it. I have vibes too. So I just want to smell it again. It smells so good.
And I'm not gonna add a lot of this because I'm also gonna be using a styling product. So we don't want to oversaturate the hair.
Oh.
So I'm gonna go in with the Tropikal Bliss watermelon squeeze to seal all that moisture in.
Just telling you guys, I do not like this one.
It just smells like watermelon.
I know, but I do not like this.
So her hair is super duper
soft,
moisturized, and we're sealing all that moisture in with this nice serum.
Okay, you gotta put that oil in there.
Okay, now I've already started twisting the front, but I just wanted to slow down and show you guys how I did it. You can design your hair or part it in any way that you see fit. I like to do something in front of her hair because Khloe has very fine texture hair. So doing a style in the front kind of prolongs their style a little bit longer and keeps her hair from unraveling and all of that. So I add a little bit of the diamond edge control. I showed that to you guys earlier. It's my favorite edge control because it doesn't flake on her hair, it doesn't gunk up on her hair, and it actually gives me really good hold. So when I'm trying to style her hair and make it last for a couple weeks or so, this is what I like to use to twist. So I'm just doing a just a regular twist, like I'm about to start a bantu knot. I'm not doing a flat twist, it's just a regular twist. You can do braids if you want to, you can do flat twist, whatever works better for your daughter. And then I just secure it at the end with a rubber band. And next, I'm going to take the ends of her hair, the ends of those twists, and I'm going to twist them down. So I'm going to re-wet it with a little water, work that water through just so I can get some manageability into her hair. Now I'm going to go in with the Mielle Twisting Souffle. I love this on Khloe's hair. When I want her twist outs or just regular twists to last a long time, this is what I use. It has great hold, it's very moisturizing, and between this and the curl smoothie, it goes together very well. Like they just melt into the hair and give it, just makes styling so much easier. As you can see, it just literally glides through, makes the tangling process easy, and I'm just gonna twist it all the way through to the ends. And I'm gonna do this on all of the loose ends in her hair.
So tired.
Turn this way. We're almost done. Turn to your side so you can see.
Next, I'm gonna gather all of those twists and kind of pin it up out of the way, and then we're gonna start on the back part of her hair, the second half. Here we go. So Khloe tuckered out on me, so I'm gonna do the same thing. I parted her hair into like 3 sections, and then each section in between those sections are about an inch apart. I'm gonna go in and do the same thing. I'm gonna apply the diamond edges to her roots, the twisting souffle to the rest of her hair, and then I'm gonna twist up each section like so. And I'm gonna do this until I completed all of the rest of her hair. So every piece of her hair is gonna be twisted up and protected. I just wanted to give you guys another view of the twisting process and how I twist it, just a little bit of a close-up view. When I twist the hair, I'm smoothing and twisting at the same time and wrapping it around itself. That's what's going to give it that spirally look. And of course, when her hair starts to shrink up, it's going to curl a little bit. And if you want your ends to be curly and have a nice curl to the end, I just twist that part around my finger. So I'm just showing you a different view, same thing, just so you can see exactly what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm all done. I'm about to wrap her hair so she can go to bed tonight. I'm gonna let it air dry. I'm not gonna put any heat on it. I'm just gonna let it air dry, but this is what it looks like while it's still wet. Okay, so it's the next morning. I'm just gonna undo everything. Definitely tie the front part down, and I do tie the front part down to preserve the style every night. So make sure you're tying it down every night if you decide to do this twisting method. I'm gonna go in with that watermelon squeeze. We've seen that earlier. I like to apply this on top of the twist, even when I untwist her hair in the twist out form, just because it prevents frizz. This is the best serum I have used that prevents frizz on Khloe's hair and my hair. And this is what it looks like dried. And you can leave it like this if you want to, but your girl is gonna zhuzh it up, of course. I'm gonna take the ends of each twist and put them in like a half up style. Khloe is very, very girly. She's more girly than I am. So I do like to do some things that make her feel prissy or feel like herself. And of course, I want her to have her own style and her own identity. So that's why I do a little bit extra. I'm taking these little rhinestone hair pieces that I got from the beauty supply store. They're like $1. They come in different varieties. Khloe loves the ones that have the rhinestones in them because I think it just gives it a different flair than just the regular gold ones. And I just put this throughout her hair just to add some dimension to the style. And she, like I said, she likes prissy things. She likes shiny things. So this was a good look for her. And I'm just gonna piece these through all throughout her hair. And I do take these out at night, and I also advise to take them out if they're going swimming because they're not real gold and they will turn. Like I said, they're only like $1 and some change, and really if you destroy them, you can always go buy some more.
So we are from the South, so you always gonna have a bow. So we don't play about the bows in the South, so I just add a little bow there.
Just to let you know, I really love bows, and I have a whole collection
I know,
of bows.
I love bows too. Mommy loves bows. So I'm just gonna take that same edge control that I styled her hair with and go along her edges and just zhuzh it up.
And I have a whole collection of bows in my bathroom.
And this, I really like this edge control because it doesn't flake and the hold is amazing. Like her hold will pretty much last pretty much 2 weeks. So, you know, if you're trying to stretch this out and do 2 weeks on a style, get you a good edge control because that's what's going to prevent you from having to retwist this over. Okay, Okay guys, so that concludes our protective style with natural kids. I know you guys like seeing Khloe, but if you want to see more kid-friendly videos, I know a lot of you, my followers, have daughters. And if you want to see like natural hair tips that I have, especially if your kids have a lot of hair, then come back and join me next time. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button.
Okay, that's enough.
That was a little extra. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you
and
can
hit that like button.
And the like button so that you can keep seeing content from me.
And the notifications.
That's right. They do need to hit that notification button. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch you on my next one.
Bye, subs.